In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to send disappearing photos and videos on Instagram. Sending disappearing messages on Instagram is important for enhancing privacy and security. It allows users to share sensitive information or have casual conversations without leaving a lasting digital trail. To do this, simply head to your Instagram message section. Now let's say this is the photo we want to share. To set to view once, simply tap right here. You can either allow replay, keep in chat or view once when it's set. Leave it view once and tap on the send button. So guys, when the photo is sent, it will appear just like this. And if it's opened, they can never reopen it again. This is a valuable tool for maintaining control over the content and reducing the risk of unwanted exposure. That's how easy it is to send disappearing messages on Instagram. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.